Today we're making pumpkin vermicelli cake. This is going to be absolutely amazing. Let's get started. Alright, so I started off by boiling some spices. I have cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. You want to boil this until it reduces and the flavors have been infused. Next, I will add my butter to a pot. In with my vermicelli. You want to parch this until some of it is nice and golden brown. You know, you want that nice contrast, so you want to just keep stirring this, and once it reaches your desired color, you will go ahead and stop right there. This is the vermicelli noodles I am using, but feel free to use any noodle of your choice. So this is how it will look once it becomes golden brown. Next, I will add that liquid that I was boiling. I did remove the cloves and the star anise just so you won't bite into it. And we're going to add our milk next. Here I will add some evaporated milk, and I will also add some whole milk. You will boil this on low heat until it softens up. I will also add some sugar here. This is just a part of my sweetener. I will add a little bit of brown sugar. And like I said, we will boil this until it softens up. And like I said, occasionally you just want to get in there and give it a stir just to make sure nothing is burning at the bottom. Now once it softens up, you want to add some sweetened condensed milk. Sweeten to your own taste, add as much or as little as you like. I will also add some pumpkin here, and then I will add some spices, cinnamon and nutmeg. You want to give this a stir, make sure it's well combined, and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. And this is usually the point where you would add some raisins or cherries if you would prefer, but my daughter begged me not to add any to this, so I'm omitting it today. After about 3 minutes, the last thing you want to add is your vanilla, and you should have your heat turned off at this point. We will now go ahead and transfer this to whatever dish we will be storing it in. So this is the dish I'm using. I will just add the vermicelli here, and you want to just level it off, and then we will allow it to cool a bit before we place it into the fridge to set up. You can allow this to sit for a few hours to set up, or you can let it rest overnight. And this is what it looks like once it was all done. Absolutely divine. This is the fall season, and I like to experiment with fall recipes using pumpkin. This was nothing short of amazing. Give the recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.